Uses up, down. Uses up, down. All around, all around. How are you? Are you okay? I am fine, and I hope you're also fine. It's your teacher Annunciata. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Still on care of our personal items and common items at home. Now, we have cleaned our items nicely, and you have seen the way we were using the water. Did you see us leaving the taps running after cleaning the items? No. Did you see us leaving the other taps leaking after we've cleaned the items? No. Why? We are saying water is an important resource. Water is a very, very important resource in our environment. Water is a very important resource in our environment. Important resource in our environment. And we are saying this water has so many uses. This water is needed for cooking. This water is needed for washing, the way we washed the personal items and the common items. The same water is used for drinking, and even in the dry season, the same water is used for irrigation. And we are also saying washing, cooking, drinking, and irrigation. Now, someone is saying, if we use this water very badly, what will happen? If we use the water very badly, we are saying we will lead to wastage. Using the water badly will lead to wastage. Using the water badly leads to wastage. Leads to wastage. But now, we have said water being an important resource, we are supposed to use it sparingly. And when you use it sparingly, we will be conserving this water. And when you saw the way we were washing our personal items and common items, what are some of the ways we were doing to make sure that we don't waste the water? The other day when I was brushing teeth, was I brushing my teeth as the water is flowing? Was I brushing the teeth as the water is flowing? No. I brushed my teeth. After wetting that brushing the teeth, I turned off the tap, then continued brushing my teeth until when I was done. And finally, that's when I turned on the tap and rinsed the mouth. The other day when I was cleaning the handkerchief, did you see me fetch a full basin of water and putting there one single handkerchief? A big basin of water, and I dipped there one handkerchief. Did you see me do that? No. I only fetched enough water that I needed to wash my handkerchief. And I'm asking you, did you see me washing the handkerchief on the tap? Did you see me washing the handkerchief on the tap? No. I did not wash the handkerchief on the tap. When I was washing utensils, did you see me leaving the water running throughout? No. I washed all the utensils in one sink and rinsed the other in the other sink on another container, and I used the water sparingly. Now, the water I used after rinsing the utensils, did you see me pour? No. What did I use the water for? The same water, I reused it to mop the house. So we are saying, how do we use water sparingly when we are cleaning the items? How do we use this water sparingly when we are cleaning these items? To avoid wastage, we are saying, to avoid wastage, what are we supposed to do? To avoid wastage, to avoid water wastage, they are saying, What are we supposed to do? Only fetch enough water. We fetch enough water for cleaning the item. Just fetch enough water for cleaning the handkerchief, enough water for cleaning the comb, for cleaning the item. Don't go fetching a basin full of water to wash one handkerchief. For me to prevent wastage, I'm supposed to wash my item in a container, in a basin or a bucket, not on a running tap or a bucket, and not on a running tap, and not on a running tap. I'm again told, for me to avoid this wastage, I can reuse the water. Reuse the water. I have washed my comb, I have washed my hairbrush, I have washed my towel. The water that I'll have used for rinsing the towel, I can use it to mop the house, to flush the toilet, to wash the car. So I will not pour the water. I can reuse the water to do other things. And so you're being told to avoid wastage, we fetch enough water for cleaning the items. Again, wash my item in a basin or a bucket, not on a running tap. And I'm being told, again, for me to avoid this wastage, I'm only supposed to do what? To turn off the tap. Turn off the tap after use. I don't wash utensils and I leave the tap leaking or flowing. Turn off the tap after use. And I'm also told, when I am cleaning these items, apart from just fetching enough water and reusing the water and maybe fetching enough, washing them from the running tap, I'm also told, for me to make sure that I avoid the water wastage, for me to avoid water wastage, I can repair the broken pipes. This is to prevent more spillage. And when there is spillage, there is wastage. So we are saying, when we are washing our personal items or our common items, let us use water well. Let us use the water sparingly. Let us avoid wastage. And we can avoid wastage by fetching enough water for cleaning the item. We can avoid wastage by washing the item in a basin or a bucket and not on a running tap. We can avoid this wastage by reusing the water. After you washing the item, reuse the water to do something else. I can avoid this wastage by turning off the tap. Turning off the tap after use. Turning off the tap after use. And we are saying, lastly, check if there are any broken pipes. They should be repaired to avoid what? Wastage. And again, don't even use a lot of detergents where you put a lot of omo in water and you're only washing a handkerchief, because that one will also require you to use a lot of water to rinse that detergent out of that water. So for you to also avoid wastage, avoid using a lot of detergents to clean the items. Any question? Any problem? And we can also use warm water to prevent using a lot of water. Where the items are oily, like the comb, like the hairbrush, you can use warm water. And when you use warm water, you'll only need maybe to rinse twice or thrice, and the oil will have come out of the comb. Any question up to there? Any problem? It was nice having you around, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.